Hi guys, in this video, in under 2 minutes, I'm going to show you what headings look like on a web page. Okay, in HTML, there are 6 levels of headings, and headings on your website, you can use them on a website or on a web application. They are basically titles on your page, right? And that you can use these headings. You can see I've got H1, H2, H3, 4, 5, and 6. These are the 6 levels of headings that you can use on your web applications, right? And H1 being the most important level of heading that you can use. And you can only use H1 once, okay, on your web application, whereas you can use H2 multiple times, you can use H3 multiple times, and so on H4, H5, and H6 as well, and so on and so forth. But these headings are very important because they give your web application structure, okay? So that when you use the H1, you know that that is the highest level of heading you can have on your page, and you can use this to call out the most important section of your page. And you will see on websites, they normally use this H1 on the banner page, or on the especially on the home page, obviously, and they will use that to call out the most important element on that page. And I'm actually going to show you what this looks like on the browser. This is the default look of it on the browser. As you can see, H1 is the biggest, as you expect, then H2, then followed by H3, 4, 5, and 6. But in using CSS, you can actually determine how big you want these headings to look. But obviously, as I've said earlier, you want H1 to be the biggest and have the most important meaning on your web application. So it's in a simple way, this is how you write your H1 in your index.html page, and then you can use your CSS. For example, let me show you how you can style this in your CSS. If we just use the CSS style sheet by just saying using the H1 selector, we can just say font size. Let's just say 100 pixel, right? And if you see it on the browser, it will be bigger than it was before, as you can see. So yes, obviously you can make H2 even bigger, but one rule to keep in mind is you want your H1 to be the biggest heading on your page, and that will be able to you. And by doing that, you will be able to structure your page properly, and the browser, most importantly, would be able to read your web application and understand the level of importance on your web application. So that is how you use headings on your web page. If you like this video, make sure you leave it a like, and also leave a comment below. And thank you for watching.